Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You know, I'm a firm believer that there are two types of people in this world. There are those that are in the parade, and there are those that watch the parade go by. And I'm typically that dude that's in the parade, but there were a couple of occasions not so long ago where I actually watched the parade go by. The first time was about 10 years ago when Bitcoin was introduced to the world, and instead of being in the parade and purchasing it, I was watching the parade, watching other people build wealth and generational wealth. Not long ago, I missed another parade. I was at the parade, I watched it go by, and that was with Dogecoin. What I can guarantee you, there's a new coin on the street right now, Shiba Inu, and I'm going to be in the parade, and that's what this video is about, because in this video, I'm going to tell you why I am going to be purchasing Shiba Inu coins, and I'm actually going to make a crypto purchase in this video. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. On this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about saving. We talk about investing on a budget and everything personal finance, baby. If there's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helped the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, I will be using COINBASE in this video to make the crypto purchases. If you're interested in getting a COINBASE account, and let me say this before I go any further, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. I'm only showing you what I'm doing. You need to do your own research before you make any final financial decision. Again, my link for COINBASE will be down in the description. There's also links down there for BLOCKFI. If you're looking for a place to hold crypto and earn interest on your crypto, I would highly recommend BLOCKFI. In addition, if you use my link for COINBASE or BLOCKFI, you will earn free Bitcoin. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are, and I am about to show you exactly why I am about to invest and get some Shiba Inu coins, or as people call it, sheep. You know, I don't want to be that cool, but anyway, let's jump right down into it. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here. I got a couple things that I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all why I'm buying it, and once we get that going, there we go. So where we are right now, we're on CoinGecko.com. CoinGecko.com. I like it. It's pretty simple to understand, and I actually was bothered because when I wanted to make the purchase, it was at 21, well, it was 0.0000, 4 zeros, 21 like 72 or something like that. As you can see, it's gone up to 0.00002223, but I'm not too worried about it. But what I want to do is I want to scroll down a little bit, and I want to show y'all yesterday at about 8 o'clock, it was trading at 0.003473. Now we're at 0.002223. And as you can see, it's taking a heck of a dip down. 844, it is down to 0.002223. And again, that was at actually 8 o'clock this morning. So it's gone down significantly today. Now, also what I want to do is I want to go over and I want to show you what it's been doing in the last week. It is being Shiba Inu. What has it been doing in the last week? Why is Rod so interested in purchasing this meme coin when I have coins like Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Algorand? I have major coins, but I really want to make sure that I'm in the parade for this one. I don't want to watch the parade go by. I want to be in the parade. And I'm looking here, I mean, in the last 1 week alone, it's up 204.47%, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, that's a lot. It's a lot as far as percentage. Now, is it a lot if you invest $5? Well, no, you're going to end up with $15. But I'm not going to make a major purchase. Again, we are invested on a budget here at Points Blank Finance, but I'm going to watch this and I'm going to give y'all updates. I'm going to give you updates on videos on how it's moving, whether I decide to purchase additional coins or do I decide to sell coins. Y'all are going to be here on the journey with me. What I want to do right now is I'm going to go to my Coinbase Pro account. I'm sorry, I had to find it here. And it looks a little tricky. This here is very confusing, but I'm going to I like it that it's black because I can kind of guide you where I am with this. And don't get caught up in this. Is all the trades that are taking place on certain cryptos. Don't get caught up in that. The only reason I'm using this brokerage or this account is because Coinbase Pro, I can buy and sell a lot cheaper. It is a spinoff of Coinbase. I can go to Coinbase and I'm going to show you here in a minute, and it's going to be a lot simpler because I'm going to transfer my coins from Coinbase Pro over to Coinbase, and you're going to see how much cleaner it looked. But to save some money, I don't really care what it looked like. I kind of feel bad because it's kind of maybe confusing to y'all. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to select market. I can leave it on all, but I'm going to go ahead and make it simple. Go to USD, which is US dollars. I'm going to type in the symbol. I can look for it, but I'm going to type in the symbol for Shiba Inu, which is SHIB, S-H-I-B. I'm going to click this. As you can see right here, I have $102.61 to actually trade or purchase coins. It's already selected to buy. It's a market buy because I want to buy whatever the price is right now. And I see it's trading at 0.2227. Remember, when I first started, it was at 0.219 something. So I want to go ahead and make a move. It just went up. I can sit here and wait a minute, but I really don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead right now. Max. I could click max and it could tell me how much I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy $100. And it's telling me I'm going to get 4.49. Or let me rephrase that. 4,449,911 coins. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to look. It's at 0.2236. Should I wait? Oh, it went to 2237. It's dropping. It's going up. But I want to make sure that I go ahead and get down to buy, which is right here. Let me click over here. 2235. Let me dismiss whatever this is. That's why I couldn't see it. 0.2235 is holding steady there. And what I'm looking at, ladies and gentlemen, is this number right here. I can sit here and wait. And I don't believe in time in the market and time in the coins. I'm gonna give it 1/2 of another second. And I think it's pretty steady right there. Oh, it went up to 2238. So I lost out trying to be greedy. 2240, I'm gonna place an order. And it's telling me success. I purchased 4,442,075 Shiba Inu coins, but being greedy, and now it's up to 0.0024, and then it just went down to 0.002237, as you can see right here. It's making moves. It's always going to be making moves. So I can sit here and play, and y'all can play, but we really don't want to do that. We really want to get down and get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over to. Let me see, what's the next one? See if it show me that. I'm gonna have to move something real quick. Go to my portfolio, and I'm gonna put this back where it was. Now I have 891, and it should show me my balances. I'm gonna click down here, and Shiba Inu, it usually will take a minute, and notice right now it's not showing me anything, but I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna refresh a couple times. And it's showing me US dollar, and there it is. It's already showing it. 4,442,075 coins. I'm gonna refresh one more time just to give it a chance to make sure it refreshes. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give y'all a bonus. I'm gonna transfer this over to my Coinbase account. I need to make sure it's logged in, make sure it's good to go. Let me move something here. I gotta sign in real quick. So I'm gonna take this off the screen, put me on the screen as I sign into this real quick. It's not gonna take but a half a second. Okay, and I'm already signed in. And let me look down here and see my assets. And I wanna show y'all something real quick. Let me go back and share my screen again. I already have I already have 3.7 million Shiba Inu, but look at it, it's 83 bucks. It's not a lot. But I'm banking, if this happens, to get to 1 penny, that right there is equivalent to $37,593. If it get to 1 penny, it's a fraction of a penny right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to Coinbase Pro, and I just wanna show y'all something real quick. I'm gonna click on Shiba Inu, and it's showing me the activity in here, but I wanna withdraw. I wanna withdraw this money that I just transferred, that I just purchased. Withdraw. I'm gonna click, I can go down, I'm gonna go ahead and just scroll down and show y'all how easy it is. And my SHIB is right here, 442, 4 point. Now, it's gonna give me two choices. I can transfer it there, but I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to Coinbase. And then we're gonna give it a second, and we're gonna go over to Coinbase, and then my balance should be 7 million whatever coins. But 4.4 million coins purchased with $100. And if it blow up, oh, I mean, when I say blow up a half a penny, I'm cool. A penny, I'm looking at $70-some thousand for less than probably a $200, $250 investment. Max, I'm gonna go ahead and put how much I want here. So I'm gonna type exactly what I see right here. 4442075. If I make a mistake, now notice what it said. That's 4,442,075. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Well, no, something don't look right there. So I'm gonna do this again. So 4442075. It still don't look right. 3 4s. Oh, it's a 0 missing right here. 0, insufficient funds. That makes sense. So I gotta keep playing with this because it's telling me I got 4442075. It's 3 4s, a 2, 075. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, scroll down. Oh, that's why it's telling me a limit. I don't want to do a limit. And I may not be, oh, there we go. I don't want to do a limit. I want to do I got to go back because it's something I forgot. I want to withdraw. As a matter of fact, there's no withdrawal. I just should be able to do this here. SHIB, SHIB. Click this here. Go here. Max. And I'm going to click here because I got to be able to scroll down. And processing time is going to be instant. So I'm doing 4,442,075. Go back here, scroll down, withdraw. It's going to be instant. I'm going to withdraw that. It's going to give me an alert. Withdrawal complete. You transferred 4,442,000. It just didn't look right when I was doing that. So I'm going to click done. Give it a second. We're going to go back over to Coinbase. And we're gonna refresh the screen. It's not gonna be like 2 seconds. It's not gonna be 2 seconds. Well, actually it went up to 9:07:05. So I scroll down and there we have it, 8.2 million Shibu Inu tokens. And it just showed me why I just transferred. It was that quick. And it costs nothing. It was pretty simple. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how easy it is. But what I'm doing right now, am I going to be married to Shiba Inu? No, I'm not. Am I going to sit here and be all concerned and holding on to this coin forever? I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But you got to tune in to Points Blank Finance because you never know. And I'm going to be watching this. And if I see significant movement, I'm going to make sure that I shoot a video. And I want everybody to follow with me on this journey. And you never know. Again, do me a favor. If you're interested in Coinbase, my link is down in the description below. If you invest $100 in Coinbase, you will get $10 worth of crypto. Once you download Coinbase and sign up, you can immediately go over and download Coinbase Pro. It uses the same password, the same login. It's so simple. I would suggest purchasing if you're going to purchase crypto. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You need to do your own research. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only. But if you decide to purchase crypto, I would highly recommend Coinbase Pro because the fees are a lot less than they are on Coinbase. Now, with all that being said, tell me, what are you doing? Are you thinking about Shiba Inu? Are you already invested in it? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms. You never know who could be looking for information like this. And as I always say, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping more knowledge, talking about investing on a budget. And until the next time, peace, baby.